Whether you're looking for something in your backyard, or you're teaching someone how to get into metal detecting, or you're looking for a portable unit, this SUNPOW might just be the way to go. So let's go ahead and, I guess I have to open up the packaging here. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is how it arrives. You can see that it has some instructions. We've got the main unit itself in bubble wrap there. And this is where we're going to put the batteries in the back. Comes with two 9-volt batteries for this one. We'll put those in. I like to use rechargeables, of course. And then you're going to have the earphones. And this is handy so that you're not bugging people, and so that you can hear it real easily when it detects, when it finds something. And then underneath here we're going to find the 8-inch coil, and this is the, it's pretty heavy. This is the coiled wire that the detector uses. It's sort of like the antenna. So this is an 8-inch style, which is great for backpacking, or again for beginners just doing your backyard. Nice connection here, which is going to connect straight to the unit. Then we have the arm, and this one is high density polymer and metal. Looks like it comes with a tool set as well. That's kind of neat. So this is a handle and like a spade, and then that can turn into a shovel if necessary. That's going to be pretty handy if you find something that's a little bit deeper. And that comes in a nylon pouch. And then it's also got a little scoop, which you're going to use probably often. And after reading the instructions, that's not a scoop, that is the bottom arm part, and we'll put that in. Then we have the top part there. The unit itself fits onto here. This comes up and connects, so no tools necessary. It'll all just assemble here in a couple of steps. We'll do that. Yeah, it really went together real easily. The 8-inch coil attaches here with the nut. Then you've got this adjustable shaft that goes into the first part here. Now for travel and stuff, you can just push this detent and pull these apart, and this could travel very easily. The more I'm working with this, I could see this being a great option for travel, in addition to again teaching someone new, or giving this to someone young who this would be a great size for. We'll go ahead and we'll turn it on. Quick action, and it has 4 modes, and looks like our guy's getting pretty ready to go here. So yeah, it's detecting probably all the nails in our material here, but you can see it works really well. It's very lightweight. I want to thank them for sending us this model to check out, and hope this helps.